Okay, no problem. So we continue. So our big topic is Netilas Yadayim, right? So meaning washing of the hands. And okay, we didn't finish because it was a lot. So let's continue. So we continue washing wet hands. So let's see, right? The poskim discuss whether one can wash one's hands if they are slightly wet beforehand. The question revolves around whether the water on the hand is already tameh. Tameh means impure, so we're going to explain. According to the strict halachah, one need not be concerned with the hands if the hands are wet. However, many are particular if their hands should be completely dry before they wash. One who is particular should be sure that the handle of the washing cup is not wet before picking it up. So let's try to understand what it says here. So as we know, water is one of the 7 liquids that transmit impurity, right? So some people are very particular, right, in what that make sure that when they do Netilas Yadayim, it's only when their hands are completely dry. Meaning what? If they're wet, they can transmit impurity to the vessels, to the water, to other things, right? Which is the problem. So what do they do? For example, if they want to wash their hands with the soap, right? So they would wash before doing Netilas Yadayim, they would wash with the soap, right? Then dry in towel and then wash with a cup. It's one scenario. Second issue, right? For those who are particular, for example, if you're using the same cup when several people would wash one after another. So these people would take maybe paper napkin, or they would take a towel and hold the handles of the cup with a towel in order not to touch the wet handles. Is it really necessary? I mean, if somebody wants to adhere to this strict practice, yeah, that's what they should do. Otherwise, we are lenient about it. So we just take the cup, even somebody just washed, and you continue washing, because when you wash twice, right? So we're talking about, let's say, we're talking about washing before the bread. So even though you wash once, right? Well, you remove this impurity, right? And even something is still left there, so you wash twice. It should remove all of the impurities. But some people, they try to do adhere to the strict laws of halachah, which is not necessary. But as he said, even some women, they want to go stricter opinion, no problem.